welcome to Nat and Mag's YouTube show. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour because we moved again. So let's get on with the video. Pause it. So you guys, let's walk in my room because of course you guys want to see my room. So when you walk in, you see my big size gumball machine. Then when you walk over here, I have some stuff on my shelves. It's a bookshelf, but I use it for stuff. Then I have this remote to my fan.
Because that's not part of the video.
Okay, I'm back, guys. Let's go over here to my bookshelf. So as you know, I love MC Square. So I have this MC Square notebook because I keep it on my bookshelf. And if you're a fan of these books, please come down right now also. So we have some Amelia Bedelia, some Bad Kitty, some Heidi Hecklebeck, some Dork Diaries, some Judy Moody, some Babysitter Clubs, some Ivy and Bean, and more baby books that I don't even read. And we have Kylie. So if you don't, I want you guys to check them out before you don't like them. So when you come out here, I have this big M for Justice. And it's super cool, so you guys should go get one. And there's this lamp and some flowers. And I have this jewelry box and a little chest. And a nightlight and some phones. Oh, here's my window. And I can see my dad walking in the house right now. And I can see also the driveway, and I can see anybody out there. So now, let's move on to my bed. Let's move on to my bed now. So, this is my bear from when I was younger. And it says some things on the hands. And I have two mush plush squishies. I have a sleep mask. And a pillow. And I have some slippers and a rug that's really comfortable. So now, you guys, let's go to my bathroom. So
you won't believe what it looks like in there.
So you guys, let's go in here. First, when you walk in, you see my sink, duh, and my toothbrush stuff. And then you see this cabinet with some toilet paper and toothpaste under there. And there's a rug on the floor. Then there's this, then there's some like Orbeez. Then when you walk over here, this is my vanity, and this turns on with a tiny tap. Then I have a hairbrush, some hairbrushes, some water for my hair, some makeup, some perfume. Then in this drawer I have my jewelry and a brush. Then right here I have some face masks, a sewing kit, and some hair caps. Then I have like this mermaid. Now let's close that drawer. Yeah, oh, and I have some bath bombs in there. Here's my jewelry, and here is my hair stuff. Here is my stool so I can sit on. And I just put this towel here so I don't get my chair wet after I take a shower so I can do my hair. And then I have a blanket if I'm cold in the morning. Right here. I have this bin I have to sort through. My toilet's right here. You probably don't want to see that, but right here I have my glass shower. Let's go in it. So when you go in it, you first see the faucet.
Don't you dare turn it on.
So you first see the faucet, and then I have this shower thing. Then I have this mirror and the shower and the light up there. Then turn around and you see the shampoo and everything. Now let's go out and you see the towel, so I can get my towels here. And I have another hook for my towel. Oh, and you guys, I got a new watch. I know, it's so cool.
And I got one too.
Yep. Now let's go to my closet, guys. Go inside.
Let's go inside.
So, it's a little bit messy, so just ignore that. I have some socks, my cheer stuff, because you guys know I do cheer and love it. I have some underwear. I have my pajamas. Those are summer pajamas. My winter pajamas and my squishies I keep in here. My hamper, some hair stuff, my shirts, what are these called, Eva?
Shirts.
Like these. Tank tops.
Tank
and
tops.
my school clothes I have to wear because I'm in a private school. Some shorts, some pants, some skirts, and some more skirts, I think. Let me find out, guys.
Yeah, let her find out.
I have some pajamas in there. Then we have some sweatshirts, some long sleeves, and yeah. Then we have my dresses. Then some more cheer shoes up there. Oh, and comment down below for my next video if you guys want me to do a cheerleading video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell, and comment down below if you like those, if you read those books, and if you like Kylie Jean, and you should get a Justice Nightlight.